And we're going to start off with our friends over at NVIDIA because they are doubling down on AI infrastructure with a $4 billion investment in two different companies, $2 billion each to Lumentum and Coherent. The move strengthens NVIDIA's position in advanced photonics, a critical technology for next-generation AI supercomputing that uses light instead of electrical signals to move massive amounts of data. Everyone's favorite CEO and walking leather jacket, Jensen Huang, called it part of the largest computing infrastructure build-out in history. As rivals like AMD and Meta ramp up their own AI investments, NVIDIA is securing long-term access to optical capacity that is needed to power AI's facilities tomorrow. Al, I know there's been a lot of talk about using fiber everywhere. Is NVIDIA kind of doing an end run around people that don't realize they're going to need it very soon?
I think that's very much what NVIDIA is trying to do here. So they've thrown some money. I mean, $4 billion is a lot of money to you and I, Tom, but to NVIDIA, it's not really that big of an investment compared to the other money that they've spent. So these investments are in a couple of silicon photonics companies, and the investments are going to help those companies with R&D. Both Lumentum and Coherent have made commitments around more R&D and more R&D onshore in the United States, which of course suits the current political climate quite well. There's also some guaranteed availability of buying products. So in addition to giving these companies money or investing in these companies for their R&D work, there's also a commitment that NVIDIA can buy billions of dollars worth of the silicon photonics that come out of these development works. The aim with the silicon photonics, and it's been around for a while. I know I've seen other vendors talking about silicon photonics for at least 10 or 15 years. The idea is to move away from using those electrical signals where the propagation and the cost and the particularly power that's required to move large amounts of data can be very limiting. Move towards a scenario where we're using light being sent through fiber rather than electrical signals sent through copper. I think this is a very significant element of protecting the future for NVIDIA. NVIDIA has had a very strong head start as being the most well-known brand for AI infrastructure, as they were the most well-known brand for crypto beforehand. But we are seeing a lot of investment in alternatives to NVIDIA. We're seeing investments. We saw Meta investing $60 billion in a deal with AMD and Marvell. And so these are definitely, there's a maturing in the market, seeing that NVIDIA isn't necessarily the be-all and end-all. And I think this is very much a protective move for NVIDIA, making sure that they get the first bite at whatever the next silicon photonics technology is going to be around. Of course, you have other companies working on silicon photonics that might want to either take a cash injection or be ready to supply people who maybe aren't NVIDIA in the future. So no guarantees that this will protect them forever.